Alright, if you open your ISN or your Interactive Student Notebook to page 89, you should have the two envelopes that we glued in during class. I want you to go ahead and label the top envelope less than and less than or equal to, and the bottom envelope greater than or equal to. Then take out all of your graphs and spread them out in front of you. Here's the first 6 of the graphs. I'm going to show you how to go through and write the equation for each of the lines. Our y-intercept is 0. So we know we're going to have y, and it's a direct variation. Our slope down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So we have a slope of negative 4x. Now again, as we've talked about before, if we have direct variation, we can't use the point 0, 0. So we're going to check a different point. Let's check the point negative 2, 1. If I make my y 1 and my x negative 2, 1 is what? 8. Well, 1 is less than 8, and that's a true statement. So we just put this as less than, and that is the equation of our line. The next one down here. We only have a vertical line, and it's going through at x equals 4. X equals 3. If we choose a point over here, that is true, we have the point 7, 0. If we replace the x with 7, we have 7, what, 3? Well, 7 is greater than 3, so the equation of this must be x is greater than 3. While we're doing this, please come down here to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know it's negative 7. Our slope, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Now, we could check the point 0, 0, but we have to make a false statement. So if we have 0, what, negative 7? We're going to say 0 is less than negative 7 because it's false. This needs to have a line underneath it. Oh, I made that mistake up here. Also have a line underneath it because these are solid lines. So up here, let's check it real fast. X is greater than or equal to 3. Down here, y is less than or equal to 1/2 x minus 7. I'd like for you now to go through and do the rest of these on your own. And here are the 3 answers for these 3 graphs. The first one, x is less than negative 4. The next one, y is less than or equal to x minus 3. And the bottom one, y is greater than or equal to 2. Here are the rest of the answers. You'll notice that you have 2 graphs that are exactly the same. You can just toss out the duplicate graph.